Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Chevy Malibu and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means that the tint will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lenses. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Okay, so before starting the installation, we want to prep the lens. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens, and with the clean microfiber towel, just go all around the lens to remove any contaminants that it might have. So to start off the installation, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution onto the tint as well. And with this one, start aligning it to this section of the edge of the headlight first. So roughly around there. Once you have it aligned, lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath the film and on top of the film and anchor it to this section here. So now that we have tacked down this section here, now we can continue on with stretching the film and meeting it to this edge. And once we meet it up to here, we tack down this section and start tacking down each piece little by little. So lift the film, apply Slip Solution, that way we can stretch it and meet it up to the edge here. Once you stretch the film and align to the edge, hold it in place, and with your other hand, apply Tack Solution, place it back down, hold it in place, apply Tack Solution on top, and then with your squeegee, just start tacking this section down so it doesn't move. Once you anchor down this section of the headlight, now we can start working in the middle and removing any fingers and water bubbles that may come up here or here, and also making sure we tack down the film up here. So just apply Tack Solution to work all around the headlight. Also, another thing to do, if you do have small fingers coming up on the top half of the film or on the bottom half here, we could just apply heat to remove them. And also the film is going to be lifting on this section here, so applying Tack Solution and heat to help it tack down to this curve will help it a lot. So just go all around and apply Tack Solution and heat. So with this bottom piece, just make sure you apply Slip Solution, remove any contaminants before doing the installation. Okay, now that it's clean, apply Slip Solution once again on the lens and onto the tint. And with this one, start off by aligning it to this bottom edge first, so roughly around there. And it's only going to cover the flat surface of the fog light here. It's not going to go inside this curve, so only the flat surface. Once you have it aligned, start applying Tack Solution to tack the whole thing down. For this part, it does have a curve here, so this section we're just going to apply heat and Tack Solution to help it tack down to this curve here. Okay, so once you're done installing the headlight and the fog light piece, the last thing to do is just post heat all around. So to post heat, apply Tack Solution, and with a heat gun and a microfiber towel, just go all around the edges, making sure there's no fingers popping up, and if there is, tack them back down, and just helping secure the film onto the edge. That way it doesn't lift over time. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2022 Chevy Malibu. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.